Okay, so we're going to approximate square root of 5. And so so we need to first make an equation that has a solution of square root of 5, and it can't be at a linear equation. So x squared minus 5 equals to 0 is our equation. Now, then what we need to do, well, we're going to need so we have this guy. So this is basically, this is our function, x squared minus 5. And then we need to find the derivative. Let's find the derivative. So the derivative is just 2x. And we need our initial guess. So let's start with, since we know square root of 5 is somewhere between, since square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 9 is 3, so it's somewhere between 2 and 3, but closer to 2. So let's start with our guess being 2. Okay, so then we have our formula to give us these successive values. So let's write it down up here somewhere on the corner. So x sub n is equal to, or x sub n plus 1 is equal to x sub n minus f of x sub n over f prime of x sub n. So basically you grab your previous one. So here what we're going to have is x sub 1 is equal to the previous, so x sub 0, which is 2, minus f of x sub 0, so f of 2. So if I plug in 2 here, I would get, or let's just plug it all into in 1. So this is 2 squared minus 5 over f prime of 2, so 2 times 2. And I need my calculator. Let me go get it real quick. So 2 minus negative 1 over 4. So this guy is, I didn't really need my calculator for this one actually, but I'll need it for the next one. Okay, so 2.25. And then x sub 2 is, so now I grab this previous one. So I basically just grab this one and do the same thing, just plug in that one. So 2.25. Oh, changed colors. 2.25 minus 2.25 squared minus 5 over 2 times 2.25. Okay. And then if I plug that in, 2.25 squared minus 5 over 4.5. Okay, so then I get 2.2361111. Okay, so then the next one is, so x sub 3. So notice here I only have one decimal spot that matches, and I want up to 3 decimal places. So The next one is, so 2.2361111 minus 2.236, and it's 111, but I'm just going to write it like that because I'm running out of space here. And over 2 times 2.236111. And you want to try to leave as many decimal places as you can. And if I want up to 3 decimal places, at least do 4 or maybe even 5. So let's see what that equals to. And then on your calculator, you can just use the ANS button to use the number from the previous. Use ANS. That's your previous answer, so that way you'll always have the entire number. Anyhoot, if I do that, I get 2.23606 blah 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 blah. And so notice this time I have 3 decimal places that match. So this is my approximation up to 3 decimal places. And that's it.